Here we are. We're in the Peak District. Shep, Holt, Chase, up to north for something a bit different. Cinematic long range vibes. Not too long range for me. Still rocking the 5-inch, 7-inch didn't turn up in time. But mate, look at that. And look at this. What a beast, Shep. What an absolute beast. Alright. We're chasing the wings. Oh, I can't forget Holtz. Look at this. Clean. Alright. Let's go.
hoping that you might call, wondering who you've been seeing and trying to make sense of it all. They say my heart will grow stronger ahead of me all the best years, but right now that's hard to believe. It's a lie in my head.